we play every game, same the final of world champion. 6 games, very difficult, but we try to win and continue our way. But tomorrow is very important game, and the points tomorrow is points from 6 points, game from 6 points. Not feel good Novakovic. Possible Khalid don't play because it's not fit 100%. Also Ceesay, did you see Ceesay in the last game? He leave the ground.
Well, we just got 2 players suspended, Krizo and Kofi, 2 strikers are out, so that will hurt us. But we've got hungry players that will come in and do a turn. It might not be a bad thing that maybe 1 or 2 fresh legs come in.